like to share an example of a course we built for a hospital who's rolling out the Workday training. I've gone ahead and made a portfolio of this version just so I can share it with everybody what we did. I'm showing you something we've built in Articulate Rise, which is part of their 360. You'll see here that I'm in desktop mode. I'll show you in a minute what it looks like on tablets and mobile phones. So what we did is we designed a bunch of different lessons around the key features of this, and we actually wrote a story for each of these. So I'm going to show you how we do a involuntary termination. Again, this is built with Rise. We've got a few different sections, and then instead of just simply talking about how to write someone up, we're writing little stories so that we have Dan the discipline problem, and the managers are going to practice doing a disciplinary action. So we have it show the different steps that they have to take, showing them valuable things like where do you click to start. And what's nice about these is that you'll actually be able to see those same things here on the phone. So managers can look this up, they can go through and learn a little bit about it. I'll go back to the desktop version here, but then you'll see that we have a little challenge exercise. So it's like, okay, so how do you write this employee up? This is narrated, you won't see it here, but you'll see that, Dan the discipline problem has a few different challenges. Those are the skills you're going to do. He's got a little bit of a backstory so that the managers have sort of an accurate context and they're practicing. We made the design decision here to actually do it so that learners can skip all the intro part. We believe that really we want to make sure that they can demonstrate the behavior, and whether they do that by watching the video that shows them first or if they just jump in and get to try. Okay, so you'll see we have a little disciplinary action. We actually put the characters in here and we had them do little hints so that they know where to click if they need to. Start with my team. Oh, so if I click it wrong, it's going to give me the advice on what I need to do. So now we go in and we click my team. Again, I can get a little hint from him here. I'll go ahead and click the disciplinary actions. I do know how to do this, so I'll go ahead and pick a few of these. And then you'll see each time if I click in the wrong spot, it gives me feedback for that. Okay, so you'll see that I've got the simulation in there. We have links to other resources. And then you can continue on to the next section. So we had a total of 13 things that we identified. These were different lessons that we had. I've got each of them doing sort of the same similar format. How's a manager like me? So next we meet Harold, the hiring manager. So really this has been a good combination. We did a little bit of it in Camtasia, the bulk of it in Storyline and Rise. We've got a nice tool that's turning out to be mobile friendly, responsive design, story-based learning, and simulations all together. I really could go on about this for hours. It's a project that we're proud of. We think it hits a lot of the points that we're looking for, what we believe in as far as design, but I also like to keep my videos short. So if there's anything else that you'd like to hear about this, please either reach out via email or on the contact page. Thank you for your time.